Hello. All right, this is for a contested, right?
It is, Judge.
All right, party
Judge,
ready?
actually, I've been trying to withdraw in this case. A motion to withdraw has come multiple times. My client and I are unable to communicate and to properly represent her.
All right. And cause number 2025 CR 001146, State versus Cynthia Giano. Can I have parties announced?
Brian Bray for the state.
Hillary Kustoff for the defense.
All right, and are you Miss Giano?
Yes.
All right, your attorney has filed a motion to withdraw. The court has reviewed the document. The motion will be denied. So, State, are you ready to proceed?
Judge, one moment.
Judge, I filed a motion to withdraw on her companion case in court 6, and that was granted back on July 7th.
Mhm.
And so I believe that it would not be in her best interest to have two attorneys.
Oh, that's why you're here for this one.
No,
This case has been on the docket for a hearing since June 2025. Then it was called for July 9th. Then it was called for July 13th, then July 16th,
correct.
then July 20th today.
And Judge, I'm being told by probation that they would need an hour for the off witnesses to appear physically. However, if defense waives, you can proceed by Zoom.
All right, do you want to be in Zoom or you want to come back an hour?
Judge, I do not feel that I can
I've already made my ruling on that. So the question becomes, do y'all want to come back in an hour or do you want the witnesses by Zoom?
Up to you.
I mean, I just want to be taken care of.
All right, bring the witnesses in by Zoom. All right, so they'll be by Zoom, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're so welcome. Oh, just have a seat. We're gonna take your matter up. Who's next? All right, court is calling 2025 CR 001146, State versus Cynthia Giano. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brian Bray for the state.
Hillary Kustoff for the defense.
And are you Miss Giano?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Giano, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I understand.
Are you the same Cynthia Giano who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 001146 for the offense of assault bodily injury on June 2nd, 2025 for a period of 1 year and extended for 1 year? Is that you? All right. State, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. The state calls Officer Rangel.
No. Has she pled true?
I don't believe she has, Judge. State read all 5
She pled
violations.
not true?
He pled not true to all 5.
Do you still wish to plead not true to all violations?
I'm not sure what to say because I did not drive to the.
All right, so she's pleading not true still to all the violations. Call your first witness.
Thank you, Judge. We call Officer Rangel.
All right, Officer, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Orlando Rangel.
All right, you may proceed.
Officer Rangel, where do you currently work at?
I'm currently employed with Bexar County Adult Probation.
What do you do with Bexar County Adult Probation?
I am one of the field officers. I'm one of the officers that conduct the home visits.
What are the responsibilities besides home visits for a field officer?
So part of our responsibilities are to ensure that the probation is in compliance with their conditions. We review the file prior to conducting any field visits, and basically we're at their home to make sure they're in compliance with their probation conditions.
Okay. On May 18th, 2026, did you perform a home visit with the probationer Cynthia Giano?
I did.
Okay. When you got there, was the probationer at home?
No, sir.
Were you able to deduce information that the probationer had taken a vehicle?
I was.
She was driving a vehicle?
I was told she was, yes.
Okay. Was that vehicle equipped with the ignition interlock?
I do not believe so. I don't know.
Okay. Was the vehicle that was equipped with ignition interlock still at the home?
Yes, yes, sir.
But Miss Giano was not.
Correct.
So it's logical to deduce that she'd driven a vehicle that was not with ignition interlock?
Yes, sir.
Were you able to deduce that Ms. Giano did not have a valid driver's license on May 18th, 2026?
Yes, sir, I was.
Officer, To your knowledge, are the conditions of probation routinely read to the probationers before beginning probation?
Before beginning probation, yes, sir. It is read to them during intake.
And is one of those conditions that they shall not operate a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license?
That is correct.
That's condition number 13.
I believe so, yes, sir.
And is one of those conditions that if they operate a vehicle, they should be equipped with the ignition interlock device, that they should only operate that vehicle.
Correct.
And that's condition number 29.
I believe that's hers, yes, sir.
And to your knowledge, is routine for the probation office to read these conditions when a probationer begins their probation.
Correct. And I know her officer routinely goes over it with her as well. He's chronoed it in her file.
So she would have had knowledge of these conditions.
Yes, sir.
That's what the judge.
Is this the only witnesses that's going to be called?
I have one more witness, Judge.
Okay. All right. You may proceed.
All right, Officer Rangel, my name is Hillary Kustoff. I'm representing Miss Dino.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you come to know that she was driving a vehicle?
When we conducted the home visit, a male answered the door who I've met before, who was, I believe, her boyfriend. When I asked him if she was home, he said no. I asked if the Lexus that was parked downstairs was her vehicle. She said yes, and he said that she took his vehicle because there's something wrong with her car.
Do you have any personal knowledge that she was in fact the driver of that car?
Just off of what he told me.
So you don't have any proof that she was the driver?
I didn't witness her driving it, if that's what you're asking. I did not see her with my own eyes behind a vehicle.
So technically she could have been driven by someone.
If he was lying to me, yes, ma'am.
Have you ever had someone at a home visit lie to you?
A probationer, yes.
Have you ever
Right.
had a family member lie to you?
That's my knowledge. I don't know.
Is it possible that he could be lying?
I would assume it's possible, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Did Miss Deanna's boyfriend make any mention of her father?
No, ma'am.
It's correct that you do not know whether or not there is an ignition interlock installed on
On whose vehicle?
the vehicle that my client was allegedly in.
I don't know anything about that car. I know her car was there.
But you personally did not see her drive,
Correct.
and you do not know that she was driving.
Just what I was told.
Who was the first person to tell my client about her probation conditions?
The very first person, I would assume intake, but I don't know.
At what point did you meet with my client? What was the first time that you met with my client?
I don't remember the date, but I know the first time I met the probationer, we were provided a referral that she had monthly home visits. Myself and Manager Bonilla went to her home and made contact with her then. I don't know the date, though.
So is it possible that somebody else could have given her information about her probation that wasn't you?
Judge, I would object to that. There's speculation and lacking personal knowledge.
Sustained.
Was my client told that her driver's license was invalid?
Objection, speculation, and lack of personal knowledge.
Sustained.
Were you in communication with my client? Were there multiple times, or I'm sorry, were you in communication with my client regularly at this period?
I mean, there was some communication, I believe. Like whenever we would go, she wasn't there. We'd leave a business card. She'd call, say she was out doing something, but like not every day, no, ma'am. But I'm not her officer, so that's why it's not everyday communication.
Nothing further.
Any further questions?
A few quick questions, Judge.
Yes.
Officer, which vehicle is the defendant's vehicle? Was it the Lexus?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you observe the Lexus when you made a home visit?
Yes, sir.
Was that vehicle equipped with ignition interlock?
It was
But the defendant was not there.
correct.
Pass witness, Judge.
Any further questions?
Yes, Judge. It's correct that you do not know if my client was driving another vehicle.
Just what I was told.
Nothing further.
All right. Any other witnesses?
One more witness.
Yes.
You can call Officer LaShawn Abrams.
All right, Ms. Abrams, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
LaShawn Abrams.
All right, state.
Ms. Abrams, I'm sorry, Officer Abrams, my apologies. And as an officer with adult probation in the courtroom, do you have access to the various files of probation?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to access documents, information, things within those files? Okay. Let me show you what's labeled as exhibit number 1. Can you tell me what this is?
It's an email from the defendant to our probation officer
Okay.
and correspondence from the probation officer to case.
Okay. And so this kind of document, is it normally within the probationer's files?
Yes,
And these are the probationer's files that you have access to?
yes.
Would you consider yourself a custodian of record for these files? All right. Now, these correspondence and chronologicals, are they regularly made at the time by someone with knowledge? And it is in the normal course of business to make these kind of documents?
Yes.
Okay. Looking through CCO number 1, any signs that it's been altered, amended, deleted in any way?
No.
That's it. Thank you so much. Judge, we'd ask this exhibit number 1 be admitted to evidence pending any objection.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted.
Thank you.
All right, so from reviewing state's exhibit number 1, the defendant admits that she was driving a vehicle that was not hers.
Judge, yes, I would,
So she's driving a vehicle that's not equipped with ignition interlock. If she's driving somebody else's vehicle, doesn't matter if it was one time, it doesn't matter if it's 2 time or if it was half time. Do you understand?
I understand. I had a flat tire. I understand. You're right. Yes, ma'am. I take accountability for that. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, any other questions?
No further questions for this witness, Judge.
Any questions?
no further question.
All right, thank you.
Judge, the state will rest.
Any witnesses?
No, Your Honor. We'll rest.
All right, then, the court is going to find violation of conditions 13, 13, and 29 true. There was no evidence presented to the court on violation of condition number 4. So the court will find violation of condition number 4 not true. And with regards to violation of condition number 2, the court will find that true based upon state's exhibit number 1. So 13 is true, 29 is true, 13 is true, 4 is not true, and 2 is true. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Probation, has she completed anything?
For anger management clause and the top evaluation. Unfortunately, the result of the top evaluation included intensive outpatient treatment. However, that was even exited from IOP due to attendance issues.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion, revoke. There's a $500 fine, time and money will run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Danny Ibarra, Samantha Coronado, Brenda Espinoza, and there's to be 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Judge, we're just called up.
Okay,
when
sure.
we were- some
Counsel, can you give that to the court reporter?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Deanno, I need you to sign that document. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Judge, may I ask, when we were discussing this case with the state, my client also has a pending DWI out of County Court 6.
Mhm.
The
Do you want that to
offer at
run
the time,
concurrently with that?
would you like it to run concurrently with that? So I believe that that's in your best interest.
All
Yes,
right.
Judge.
It's to run concurrently with 2026 CC 006415. All right. I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. You have a limited right to appeal as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in community supervision. And the court is going to order no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.